everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate last client report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the sales module. Here, we have to select the report sales menu. Now, we have to select the last client report menu. On this last client report page, we have to enter the salesperson name. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the last client report details. If you want to download this detail, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to generate last client report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.